Hello everyone, my name is Royanne Bystead and I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City to show you this brand new 2020 Newmar Ventana. It is a 3426, it's 34 feet long, and let me go ahead and show you the outside right here. You have great storage in this unit, in all the basement right here. This is an egress door. It's an emergency escape door. It's a new feature that Newmar is doing now. This one doesn't have an outside TV, but it's got a great awning and great outdoor living right here. This is really a beautiful unit. It's got opposing slides, which gives you a really nice sense of space right here. These two chairs in the front, the driver and the passenger side chairs, turn around and become part of your living room. This one is equipped with these ottomans. They are storage ottomans. They flip over. And you have storage on the inside. And you can also use it as a little coffee table. Also has a big cabinet right here underneath the TV. Plenty of storage right here for anything that you need. This has got a nice kitchen. This kitchen has great counter space. This is also, the sink is also part of your counter space, but when the sink is open, you still have this whole area right here to leave a coffee pot or anything that you need out. Residential fridge in this unit. And the bathroom has a space-saving door. It's a good-sized bathroom with some really good storage. This unit has a king-size bed in it. And this bedroom is just, it's beautiful. The tile on the floor. One of the things I like best about this bedroom is this great counter space right here on over your dresser. Does have good storage. You have a full closet right here, and you do get washer and dryer hookups right here for a stackable unit. Can be installed if you would like to have one. If you have any questions about this or anything else on our lot, give me a call at 541-636-7862. Thank you.